Well, really beautiful views, pretty thick forests. I would love to get up to that rock if I could. I don't think it's happening today. And no view of Mount St. Helens, which is really what I'm after. So I think what I'm gonna do is just drop in altitude and go chase some waterfalls. Despite what TLC warns us all not to do, I'm gonna go do it. I could spend weeks driving these old Forest Service roads that meander for miles and miles in all directions, just taking in the sights and the sounds with no particular agenda or schedule. But today, I'm specifically looking for waterfalls, and it's not long before I find my first one. With my camera batteries drained and my memory card full, it was time to call it a day. Having been showered by waterfall mist all afternoon, I was really looking forward to being somewhere warm and dry. Nature had other plans. And so for the next several days, it rained and drizzled, sprinkled and poured. But thankfully, I stayed fairly dry and cozy and kept myself busy by reading, writing, and editing. If ever I began to feel cooped up and restless, the rain seemed to let up just enough for me to go on a little walkabout without getting soaked. Found a little friend outside my door. Check this guy out. I named the snail Gary, naturally, and Gary is a member of the class of animals called gastropods. Gastro means stomach and pod means foot. And with the video sped up nearly 10 times, you can really see Gary's stomach foot in action. Snails are like little cows sliding around the forest floor, grazing on microalgae that grows on wet leaves. There's certainly no hurry in Gary's world, and currently, there's no hurry in mine either. I've taken a refreshing step away from the busyness of society to seek the silence and solitude of the forest. Out here, far removed from civilization, I don't even have cell phone service. So no phone calls, no texts, no social media, and no emails. All the man-made distractions, the crowds, the noise, and the urgencies of life get replaced with ample amounts of fresh air, free time, and a sense of stillness that pervades everything in all directions.
Just really appreciative of where I'm at right now. This amazing wilderness, all this nature. I just love being out here, you know? This is what life is about for me. Everybody has their thing, and this is my thing.
I'm not really sure if I'll return to society anytime soon. I think I fit in out here better than I do there, and I'm completely okay with that. I'm right where I'm supposed to be right now, and I can tell that there's something else out here for me, something yet to be discovered. With time and a little patience, I know I will find whatever it is I'm looking for. Hey, if you like this video, please subscribe and help me grow this new channel. I have a lot of adventures ahead and would really love to take you with me, so hit the like and subscribe buttons and leave a comment. Gary the Snail would love to hear from you, I'm sure of it.